Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will show you and also tell you how you can add a new Gmail account on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments at the end of this video. So, if you want to add a fancy new Gmail account, it's really easy to do. To do that, on your iPhone, go to your phone settings and then scroll down until you find Mail. Click on it, then Accounts and add an account. Then select Google. After which you will need to enter your Google account, your new Gmail account. After that, you will need to enter your password for it. And after you've done all that, just click Agree. Next, as you can see, it's asking me to confirm my identity through Face ID because I have it installed. And when I log in or add any new accounts, it asks for confirmation. If this is the same for you, then confirm your identity. Then scroll down on this page, click Always. Next, click Save. And as you can see, immediately added a new Gmail account already in your iPhone. This is a very simple way to add a new Gmail account to your iPhone in just a few minutes. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to write comments and put your likes. See you soon.